everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. If you are fond of pink color and wants to wear pink kurtis for parties or casual outings, then this video may benefit you. In this video, I am showing you different patterns of pink shade kurtis with their contrast color dupattas. So continue watching to know some designer suit patterns.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.